Hello Bachcha Party. In today's episode, we are going to draw a bird's family. It's a very simple drawing where we will learn to draw three birds: Papa bird, Mama bird, and baby bird. So let's get started. First of all, we will draw Papa bird. For that, we need a circular object, and with that, we are going to draw a semicircle. Now, from this point, make a curve. Yes, like this. And now join this point to this point with a diagonal line with the help of scale. Now it's time to make Papa bird's beak. For beak, we are going to draw a M for mango. From here, this is the one triangle, and from this point make another triangle a little shorter. Now it's time to make an eye. For eye, we are going to make a little circle and fill it up. Now with the help of scale, we are going to draw two lines, straight lines. This is first line, and near to it, we are going to draw the second line parallel to that. Yes. Now it's time to make claws of Papa bird. For claws, we are going to make two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Again, one on the left and one on the right. With the help of our scale, one on the right, a diagonal line, and one on the left, like this. And we are going to do the same thing on the other leg. So this is how we draw claws of the bird. Now the basic structure of Papa bird is ready. Now the last thing that we are going to draw is Papa bird's feather. So for feathers, we are going to stretch this line little more, and for feathers you can draw any pattern. So for feathers, I am going to draw flower petals. So for flower petals, we are going to stretch this line a little, and from the end point we are going to make a curve like a circle. Like this. And now stretch this line, curved line, up to here. It's like a shape of an egg or shape of a flower petal. Now another petal from here. To make it more attractive, I am going to make another flower petal inside this bigger one. Now it's time to add more details. For more details, I am going to take this another object, circular object, and I am going to make a semicircle from here to here. Now with the help of scale, I am going to draw some diagonal lines. Now diagonal lines are complete. Now it's time to make some triangles. I'm going to draw some curved lines here to make it more attractive. Yes, like this. I love details, that's why I'm doing this. If you don't want to do this, you can skip this part. Now Papa bird is completely ready. Now it's time to draw Mama bird. For Mama bird, the process is same. So for Mama bird, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to draw a semicircle, but this time from this side, we are going to draw a semicircle. So for this, I am taking this circular object and I am going to draw a semicircle. Now semicircle is ready. Now stretch this line and make a little curve for the head. Yes, like this. Make a little curve, stretch this line and make a little curve to make head of Mama's bird. And now it's time to connect the tail with the head. So stretch a line from here very slowly and try to connect it with the head. It's time to make a tail of Mama bird. So stretch a line, a curved line from here and make a swirl. For beak, I am going to draw a M from here like this and another triangle but little shorter here. Now it's time to give an eye to Mama bird. Now it's time to add more details. For this, I am going to make a curved line from this point to this point. Yes, like this. And now make random circles here and there. Now I am drawing a necklace for Mama bird. For necklace, I am drawing a curved line from here to this point like a U and a double line in the same pattern. My Mama bird is holding a leaf, so to draw a leaf, draw a curved line like this and make a leaf. Now Papa bird and Mama bird are ready. Now it's time to make baby bird. For the baby bird, I am going to draw a semicircle from downwards to upwards. So let's draw a semicircle. Now stretch this line and make a curved line and try to make a head. Now our head is ready. Now it's time to join this line up to the tail. For this, stretch this line and in a curved position, try to connect this line to the tail. Now it's time to make his tail. For tail, I am going to stretch this line and I'm going to make some patterns. This is the simplest pattern. Now draw another line from here to here and make same patterns. Now the third line. It's time to make beak. For beak I am going to draw an M. For eye, draw a little circle and try to fill it up. To add more details, I'm going to draw a curved line from here to here and make random patterns, random lines. Now our drawing is ready. Now it's time to color it. So let's color it. For Papa Bird, I am going to take this dark green color. For feathers, I am taking this red color. For the outer feather, I am taking this light green. To fill this pattern, I am taking orange color. For Mama Bird, I am taking this light green color. For this curved part, I am taking yellow color. Green for the face. For the beak, I am taking orange. For the necklace, red. For dots, dark green. For the leaf, dark green. For baby bird, I am taking orange color. For this curved part, I am taking dark green. To make baby bird more beautiful, I am going to make a curved line from here to here and stretch this curved line and join it with the tail of this. Now I'm going to color this with dark green. I'm going to draw some random lines here. This detailing part is optional. If you don't want this, you can skip this part. But I love details, that's why I am using this black pen. So this is the final look of my drawing. You can also practice this at home. And I am sure that you can draw and paint better than me. For more videos, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.